To be honest, when we started with online years back in India, we really treated it just like another sales opportunity. There was not too much of range differentiation or a specific plan. Uh, but we had a steep learning curve and realized very quickly that, online is a completely different ball game. And, with the first wave of discounts, we were certainly thinking, is this what we want to do? Of course, leaving online was never an option. It's a place to be, it's a place for the future. However, it was very clear that we needed to have a differentiated strategy in terms of marketing, in terms of digital, in terms of merchandising, and that's where we completely started concentrating on our online strategy. Consumer engagement is a key for online because ultimately that is what makes the difference. It is how you interact with your consumer. Are you telling the consumer stories? Are you having... So for example, look at VM. We all say that visual merchandising is key for offline. But honestly speaking, it's even a bigger essential for your online space because a consumer on average clicking on any online account is far more frequent than somebody visiting your offline store. So you actually need to have a completely different strategy in terms of product differentiation, in terms of what kind of stories you are telling, in terms of what kind of consumer you are concentrating on. And pretty quickly we got a few key lessons. The first lesson which we learned definitely for the brand was that for us, online and offline were not at the cost of each other. They were complementary to each other. Online was a way to actually increase our footprint in the country and not to substitute our offline retail. The second quick learning was that it was possible for offline and online to coexist profitably. We have about 350 exclusive Puma stores and opening more. And it is essential that you have a strong offline presence to actually be able to do a great job online as well. So a lot of people think that if you're doing a great job online, then you probably do not need to focus that much on offline. That's not true. And finally, the third key learning was that online for you can't be just a bargain counter. It cannot be that a consumer is just coming to you for a price proposition online. You have to make sure that through your consumer engagement, you are able to sell full price products. Because ultimately, what would a brand be if it only had outlets? So you don't want to have an online channel which is functioning like an outlet channel. You need to have a great proportion of your sales happening at full price. And that is where all the key strategies of differentiation come into play.